completely covered. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Ah! Hey you guys, welcome back to the Silk Hot Way. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. We have another snow day here in Boston. And I'm gonna wake the kids up now. Well, I hear Jakai, he should be getting up to take the dog out like usual. Yeah, he just woke up. I'm gonna go check outside to see what it looks like. Oh, I hear your brother's up too. They're awake. But, my face is kind of shiny. I'm testing out this moisturizer for, well, not moisturizer, I'm testing out this face cream for puffiness, under eye puffiness, before I sell it on my line. You know, I like to test my products before I sell it to you guys. Yeah. Don't mind my puffy eyes this morning. Watch outside. Help me forget to oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I got the cars over there. Well, y'all see how outside look, right? I gotta get started. Oh Jesus. Help me. Yeah, you can't even see this. That little path right there where you see the tires, that's supposed to be open road. But you can't really tell like that. So y'all see how outside look, right? How the car look completely, well, not completely covered, but it's covered well enough. And outside look bad. I'm gonna go make food now for the kids them. Yesterday they said they wanted French toast, so I'm gonna start making the French toast, and then we're gonna get ready to go outside to clear off the car. And then I gotta go shovel. But yeah. Just thinking I having to go shovel, but hey. Javion, you have to go to the bathroom? Yeah. Let me go make the French toast now then. It's not cold, you guys?
No, it's not.
Look, he says it's not cold, but look at this. Go ahead, try to open the gate. Jaden, keep your hands up.
Okay.
Oh my God. This is what I'm gonna have to do just to get my kids to the car so they can help me.
Help.
Oh my gosh, follow the footprints. Look how deep the snow is.
Oh my God, hurry up. Help.
Oh my gosh.
Mommy.
Y'all not gonna say I'm not a good mummy. Okay, do it other. Here's the car, we made it. Wait, Javion, don't get down yet.
Hold on, Mommy's car.
All right, Javion, you stand here. Yep. Clean the car off so I can get the shovel out. Try to get as much off the back. Then I'll open the trunk. Here. Here.
Huh? Okay.
Hold this.
Oh my gosh. It's so cold. Now it's cold because I'm playing with snow. We got it open.
Here, Jaden, put this on your hands so it's not too cold. No, actually, your
My
hands are
hand.
fine. Javion, here.
My hand. Whoop.
I gave you something.
Only one.
Your hands are gonna get cold, Javion.
Only one, Susan. Only one, sir. Oh, please.
Excuse me.
Oh. It's getting really cold.
Move. You don't need nothing. Your gloves are thick enough.
Oh my gosh.
Huh?
Nothing.
You said, oh my gosh, what?
My hands.
What about your hands?
They're cold now.
What hand? What's cold?
My hand.
Which one, I mean?
Left.
Okay.
The only one I have a glove on.
Yeah. You get for losing your gloves every year.
I don't lose them.
Yes, you do.
They just disappear.
Try to put this one on.
Okay.
That's why I gave you the red thing. Crazy. Here.
This is my glove.
No, it's not.
Oh, okay.
They don't even match.
Here you go.
Listen up. That's it. I'm mad.
Put your gloves on. See, it's not the right hands. Jaden, the car is over here. Start to clean it. I'm gonna shovel it out. All right, well, we're about to get busy, you guys. I'm hot.
You're hot?
I'm hot, yeah. Yeah.
Do you see this weather? Me and Jaden and Javion are sitting in the car.
Who's messing with the radio? Oh, that's another car.
See you guys when we're done. Almost done?
Almost. Are you guys getting warm yet?
Yeah, we're getting warm. I'm trying to get the gloves warm too so I can...
You see how me look covered in that snow?
Yeah, I'm covered in snow, I think. Whoa! The bulldozer thing. The dumb what?
Not the dump truck, but the plow people.
The plower. The snow is so slippery.
It's not that bad.
Well, over here it is. It's like a big, this thing. So guys, before there was like a whole bunch of stuff up here. Now it's just this. And there was a whole bunch of stuff up
Go
there.
inside, shut the door.
Yeah, this is what it looks like inside. But see you guys. Snowball. So this is the finishing touches of the car. It looks really good. This is the front. This is
You know,
the side.
these kids were supposed to help me
I did help.
shovel out the car. They were out here for 5 minutes, and then they said they was cold. And look, I did this by myself.
No.
I did this by myself. Come on, Javion.
Is the car off?
Come on. We get the tree. Javion.
Okay, now we're gonna go in the house because it's really cold. you pay attention? Go on, guys. Let's go in the house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's Christmas tree.
It's Christmas Street?
Yeah.
Christmas is coming. Christmas is next week.
I'm back in the house.
Look how I look.
Look at look at her head. Look at her. And look at me.
They did not help me.
Look at
He is dry as ever.
I helped. I just sat in the car and dried out.
You helped, but he sat in the. Do y'all hear this? Do y'all hear this? He helped, but he sat.
Guys, my mom has to clean the my mom has to clean the car again because so much snow came back. This is gonna be a crazy winter, you guys. If it keeps snowing like this, it's gonna be really crazy. See, look at mommy's right there. She's gonna get really wet. Yeah, I'm in school right now. But like, what's up, Coco? Yeah. See you guys when she's done. Bye. Yeah. And now I have the hiccups from working so much.
But thanks for joining us for another video. Your brothers are late for their school, even though it's a half a day. It's remote learning time. Bye. Don't forget to my eye, the snow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.